Looking for the best DeWalt Jigsaw but don't know which one to pick? Stay tuned as we rank 5 top contenders from worst to best, so you get the perfect tool without wasting a dime. Starting off our list at the bottom, we've got the DW317. It's one of DeWalt's classic corded models, and while it's not a bad tool by any means, it's clearly the most basic option here. It's built tough, cuts well, and is easy to control. When you stack it up against the competition, it just doesn't bring enough to the table for more demanding users. Now, it does have some good things going for it. The 5.5 amp motor is solid and strong enough to handle wood, metal, and plastic. You get variable speed control with a trigger and dial, and the 4 orbital settings let you switch between aggressive cuts and finer finishes. Plus, that all-metal gear case is built to take a beating. But here's the issue. It doesn't come with any modern features like a built-in LED or a dust blower. That means your visibility on the cut line can suffer, especially if you're working with dusty material. It's also heavier than newer cordless models, and the placement of the speed dial on the trigger feels awkward when you're trying to make fine adjustments mid-cut. So who should pick this up? If you're a DIYer on a tight budget or just want a straightforward jigsaw for the occasional project, it'll get the job done. Just know that if you need more convenience or control, better options are ahead. And if you're ready to grab any of the tools from this review, you'll find links to all of them at the best price right down in the description. Next up in the 4th spot, we've got the DW317K. Yes, it's very similar to the previous model, and that's because it essentially is the same tool, just bundled as a kit. It shares the same power, the same orbital action, and the same overall body, but with one key difference. It includes a soft storage bag for portability and protection. So what makes it a little better than the DW317 on its own? Simple value. For a few bucks more, you get everything that makes the original model decent: solid build quality, decent power, variable speed, and a simple no-nonsense design, but also the convenience of a carry bag, which can be useful if you move around job sites or like keeping your tools organized. But again, just like the DW317, it's missing those modern comforts. No LED to light up the workspace, no blower to clear your cut line, and it's still a bit heavier than newer cordless versions. Some users have also mentioned the blade clamp can loosen if you're really pushing it. If you want corded simplicity with a little more convenience, the DW317K is worth a look. It's ideal for garage setups or backup saws on a job site. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. It helps a ton. In the 3rd spot, we're stepping into cordless territory with the DCS335B. This one's got a sleek barrel grip design that gives you next level control, especially for detailed or curved cuts. It's also packing a brushless motor, which means it's more efficient and lasts longer than the corded models we just talked about. Now here's where things get good. This saw is lightweight, nimble, and full of modern features. You get a bright LED light, a built-in dust blower to keep your line clear, and 4 orbital settings to tailor your cut style. The speed goes up to 3,200 strokes per minute, faster than either of the corded options. The only hiccup? The barrel grip isn't for everyone. Some folks love it because it sits lower in your hand and gives you great visibility, but others find it uncomfortable over long jobs. Also, the power switch isn't a trigger, it's a thumb switch, which can take some getting used to if you're coming from traditional jigsaws. Still, this one's a fantastic pick for pros and hobbyists who want precise control and don't need the top handle style. If you're used to barrel grips or want to try one, this is one of DeWalt's best in that category. Narrowly missing the top spot is the DCS334B. This is DeWalt's top handle version of the last jigsaw, and it's one of the most well-balanced and powerful cordless jigsaws on the market right now. It's comfortable, responsive, and built to handle tough jobs without wearing you out. It's got all the good stuff: brushless motor, LED light, dust blower, tool-free blade changes, and 4 orbital settings. The bevel shoe has preset angles for fast setup, and the no mark cover keeps your surfaces clean. And that top handle grip, it's familiar, sturdy, and super easy to control for all sorts of cuts. Now, while it's nearly perfect, there are a couple of things holding it back. It doesn't include a dust port, which some users would have appreciated for vacuum hookups. And this model is sold as a bare tool, so that can drive the total cost up. If you already have other 20 volt max batteries and you like the feel of a top handle grip, This is a killer upgrade from any corded model. But if you're looking for the full package in one go, stick around. And finally, at number 1, we've got the DCS334P1. Think of it as the fully loaded version of the previous model. Same great performance, but this time with the battery, charger and carrying case included. It's the easiest, most complete way to upgrade your Jigsaw game. This kit gives you everything you need to get started right out of the box. The 5Ah battery provides plenty of runtime, and it powers that efficient brushless motor without breaking a sweat. You get excellent visibility thanks to the LED light and dust blower, and the tool-free bevel and blade system makes setup fast and painless. Now sure, it's the priciest on this list, but you're getting a premium tool plus the accessories to use it immediately. Some users mention that the case could be better organized inside and is a touch heavier than smaller kits, but that's a small trade-off for the convenience. If you want the best of the best in terms of power, control and value all in one box, this is it. The DCS334P1 is the king of DeWalt Jigsaws, and it absolutely earns that crown. So, whether you're looking for a budget-friendly starter or a professional-grade jigsaw, there's a DeWalt for every need. Be sure to check the description below for links to the top tools in this review at the best available prices. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss another review.